Right, next, right, coordination number. What is coordination number and coordination number of different crystals? Coordination number. So coordination number is, even we study in coordination compound. Yeah, it is number of nearest neighbors. So what is the meaning of the number of nearest neighbors? Of course, in three-dimensional space. It means, let us take, it is one particle. This one particle is contact with, if it is contact with, suppose 4 adjacent particles in 3D space, then what is the coordination number of this? Coordination number equal to 4. Therefore, it is nothing but number of nearest neighbors. Tell me, there are how many number of nearest neighbors for this? 4. If there are, suppose 6 particles are there, coordination number is 6. If it is a 8 particles are there, 8. So therefore, the number of nearest neighbors to the given particle in 3-dimensional space is called coordination number. Or coordination number also be defined as, it is the number of particles which are directly contact with given particle. It should be contact. The number of particles which are directly contact. So how many particles are contacting directly? There are, here is 8. Right? Sometimes 6, sometimes 4, sometimes 2. They must be contact. It is not like this. So if it is not coordination number, it is not directly contacting. There must be a direct contact here like this. Okay? It should be like this. It should be again like this. It should be like this. Then it is called coordination number is 4. Right? Therefore, the number of nearest neighbors or number of particles which are directly contact with given particle is called coordination number. Then how do you calculate coordination number? To calculate coordination number, there is no any shortcut method, shortcut formula. We have to remember coordination numbers because it is a arrangement, no, 3D arrangement. For example, sodium chloride. For sodium chloride, what is the coordination number? 6:6. So what is the meaning of 6:6? It means 1 Na plus surrounded by how many Cl minus? 6 Cl minus. Similarly, 1 Cl also surrounded by how many? 6 Na plus. Right, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 Na plus surrounded by 6 Cl minus. Similarly, 1 Cl also surrounded by 6 Na plus. That is the meaning 6, 6. Then how do you come to know that? It's by structure. Right? You cannot calculate by using any formula. Similarly, cesium chloride. So what is the coordination number of cesium chloride? 8:8. So what is the meaning of this? 1 cesium plus surrounded by 8 Cl minus. And similarly, 1 Cl also surrounded by 8 cesium plus ion. Therefore, its coordination number is 8, 8. Okay. Like one more example, zinc sulfide. Its coordination number is 4:4. So it means 1 Zn plus 2 surrounded by 4 sulfide. 1 sulfide surrounded by 4 zinc plus 2 ions. Right. Next, CaF2, calcium fluoride, which is called anti-fluoride structure. We study later. So here it is a 8:4 coordination number. So what is the meaning of 8:4? 1 calcium surrounded by 1 calcium surrounded by no, wait here. Calcium is 8. Okay, fluorine is 4. It means calcium is 8 means 1 calcium surrounded by 8 F. 1 calcium plus 2, how many F? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8F. And one fluorine surrounded by 4 calcium. You just check now whether balancing or not. What is the charge of the 4 calcium plus 2? Plus 8, no. Plus 8. Here is also, sorry, minus 8. Balancing or not? Yes. It become neutral. So that is the meaning of 8:4. Okay. Then now there is importance also. What is coordination number and what is important? There are two importance of coordination number. Very, very important. One. The first important is importance of coordination number. First important use of coordination number is, by using coordination number, it is possible to calculate or possible to write the simplest formula of crystal. It means if the coordination number is given, you can write the simplest formula of any crystal. How? That means writing formula. How do you write the formula of crystal? By coordination numbers. For example, let us take the coordination number of P and Q element is, let us take X and Y. So there are two elements P, Q. Their coordination number is what? X and Y. So therefore, the coordination number of two elements P and Q are X and Y respectively. Then what is the formula of the PQ? QX. So therefore, so it is very simple. The coordination number ratio is X:Y. This X should be written on that is on Q. It should be written on P. So therefore, it should be, tell me, PY QX. That's it. Right? Suppose one more example. The coordination number of two elements, let us take AB in the ratio of 2:4 respectively. Coordination number 2, 4. 2, 4, 8 irutte. Okay, 4, 8 respectively. What is the formula of? What is the formula of the crystal? So here A and B, take A is a 4, B is a 8. You just write in crisscross method, right? Which become what? A 8, B 4. But we want simplest formula. So therefore, it is A to B is the formula. Right? That means from the given coordination numbers, it is possible to write what? Simplest formula of the crystal. Baribodu. That's one application. Second application is, there is an effect of temperature pressure on coordination number. When temperature and pressure is changes, coordination number changes. For example, so what is the effect of temperature and pressure? Here, let us take NaCl. It is a coordination number 66. NaCl type crystal. Okay, NaCl type crystal. NaCl type crystal can convert into cesium chloride type crystal. I am writing type, not NaCl convert into cesium chloride. NaCl does not convert into cesium chloride. NaCl is bere, cesium chloride is bere. So, right. But NaCl type structure can convert into cesium chloride type structure. Okay. What is the coordination number? 8:8. Then tell me, how do you convert NaCl type to cesium chloride type? It is a low coordination number. It is a high coordination number. Low coordination number can be converted into high coordination number by increasing pressure. First tell one. Suppose one particles are like this. Some more particles are away. Initially coordination number 4. When you increase the pressure, what happens? All the particles comes or not? Comes closer. When particles comes closer, they contact. That means by increasing pressure, right? This is possible, increasing pressure. So increasing pressure, low coordination number converts into high coordination number. Next, Now we have high coordination number. We should convert into low coordination number. Now here particles are, no, already particles are very closely packed. Fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 particles are contacting. Coordination number is 8. Now I want to convert 8 coordination number to 6 coordination number. What to do? Increasing temperature. Increase the temperature. When temperature increases, we know that the moment of the particle is increases. Kinetic energy increases. When kinetic energy of the particle increases, some particle absorbing energy, they come out from the lattice. Means they dissociate from the coordination. Entropy increases. So therefore, when kinetic energy entropy increases, what happens? So high coordination number converts into low. Therefore, this should be carried out in increasing temperature. Therefore, increasing temperature, high coordination number crystal converts into low coordination crystal. Right? So these two are the applications of coordination number. What is coordination number? Some example, 2 applications. Right on. Coordination number. Right. The number of nearest neighbors, the number of nearest neighbors to the given particle, the number of nearest neighbors to the given particle in 3-dimensional space. The number of nearest neighbors to the given particle in 3-dimensional space called coordination number. Called coordination number. Over or? Over or? The number of particles which are directly contact with, the number of particles which are directly contact with a given particle, the number of particles which are directly contact with a given particle, directly contact with a given particle in 3D space, in 3-dimensional space, also called in 3-dimensional space, also called coordination number, also called coordination number. Right? Take example. Say some coordination numbers you have to remember. For example, sodium chloride 6,6. You must remember it. As I told you, there is no any shortcut formula to find out coordination number. These are all practical values. Sodium chloride exists 6,6 because 1 Na plus surrounded by 6 Cl minus. To calculate this 6,6, we don't have any formula. That's what I am telling you. Okay, write some example. Example: sodium chloride 6,6. 6:6. It means 1 Na plus surrounded by, it means 1 Na plus surrounded by 6 Cl minus ions, comma 1 Cl minus ion also surrounded by 1 Cl minus ion also surrounded by 6 Na plus ions. Take another example: cesium chloride 88. Next, zinc sulfide, which is called zinc blend. Zinc blend. Nembitಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Zinc blend 4:4. 4:4. Calcium fluoride 8:4. See, listen, how to remember? Is it 8:4 or 4:8? ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು? Why it is 8:4 only? Anybody? Think logically. Charge balance. Okay. Charge ಬೇರೆ ಥರನೂ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Right? You can also balance in other way also. But what is the reason that 8:4? Why not 4:8? Is it 4:8? Can it calcium fluoride become 8:4 is correct or 4:8 is correct? Why? See, to get this formula, it must be this only. Yes? For example, calcium fluorine, right? Fluoride. Calcium 8, fluoride is 4. Okay. What do you get? Ca4F8. What is the simplest formula? CaF2. For example, if you take calcium plus 2, F minus as a 4:8, what do you get? Ca2 F barutte. This is wrong. Understand? Next, we will get another example also, Na2O. All this will get later. Na2O. So Na2O coordination number is, tell me now, is it 4:8, 8:4? ಎರಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 4:8. It must be 4:8. Right? If it is 4:8, then only you will get this. 8:4 will not. Okay? Write down. Importance of coordination number. Importance of coordination number. Right? 1. From the coordination number, it is possible to write. From the coordination number, it is possible to write simplest formula of crystal. It is possible to write simplest formula of crystal. Example. Let us consider small x, small y are the x comma y are the coordination numbers of capital P and capital Q elements. X and y are the coordination numbers of capital P, capital Q elements. Then take this PQ. One more example. AB elements coordination number 4:8. There are two elements A comma B and their coordination number 4:8. Okay. Next. Effect of temperature and pressure on coordination number. Effect of temperature and pressure on coordination number. Written. As the pressure increases, low coordination number crystals converts into, as the pressure increases, low coordination number crystals converts into what? High coordination number crystal. High coordination number crystal. comma, as the temperature increases, what happened? High coordination number crystals converts into low coordination number crystals. Okay, let's see some model questions, problems based on number of, that is molecular formula of the crystal. Problems based on molecular formula of crystal. Okay, read on. A cubic crystal made up of two elements. A cubic crystal is made up of two elements, capital P, capital Q. Two elements, capital P, capital Q. Okay, we'll stop. The atoms of capital P, present at corners, comma, atoms of Q present center of unit cell. What is the simplest formula of crystal? What is the simplest formula of, very good, crystal, PQ. Right, say there are two elements. No, it is P and Q, right? So where the atoms of P present? Corners. Atoms of Q present? Center of unit cell. Therefore, what is the formula? So to calculate the formula, we need to calculate number of particles of P, number of particles of Q. So therefore, now, what is the number of particles of P? Number of particles of P, capital P per unit cell, that P per unit cell equal to P present at corners. Therefore, there are 8 corners, contribution is 1 by 8, that is 1. Similarly, number of particles of capital Q per unit cell. So where Q present, center of unit cell, 1 into 1, contribution is 1. Therefore, P1, it is Q1, nothing but, which is PQ answer. Right? We need to calculate number of particles per unit cell, that's it. Okay, one more. A cubic crystal made up of 3 elements. A cubic crystal is made up of 3 elements, X, Y and Z. A cubic crystal is made up of 3 elements, X, Y, Z. The atoms of X present at corner, comma, atoms of Y present center of each face, and Z present at center of unit cell. What is the simplest formula? X, Y, 3Z. So where the X is present? Corner. That means 8 into 1 by 8. Where the Y present? Face. 6 into 1 by 2. where the z present? Center. 1 into 1. So therefore it is 1, it is 3, it is 1. X, y3, z. Next. A cubic unit cell made up of two elements, capital A and B. A cubic unit cell made up of two elements, capital A, comma, capital B. The atoms of A present at corners and center of each face. Atoms of A present at corners and atoms of A present at corners and center of each face, comma, atoms of B present at center of edge and center of unit cell. Center of edge and center of unit cell. What is the simplest formula of crystal? So there are two elements A and B. So where number of atoms of A is equals to, where the atoms A present? Corner. So there are 8 into 1 by 8 plus center of unit cell 1 into 1. Face, huh? Center of face, huh? Okay. 6 into 1 by 2, which is equals to 4. Okay. Next, B. Where the B present? Center of edge. It is a no. Edge. There are how many edges? 12 edges. 12 into 1 by 4 plus center of unit cell 1 into 1, which is 4. AB. Answer is AB. Next. A cubic crystal is made up of, another model, a different model, right? A cubic crystal is made up of two elements, A comma B. The atoms of A present at corners, and atoms of B present at center of each face. Atoms of A present at corners and atoms of B present at center of each face. From the cubic crystal, two atoms of A and 3 atoms of B is removed. 2 atoms of A and 3 atoms of B is removed. What is the formula of crystal? Okay, now tell me, a cubic crystal is made up of two elements A and B. Where the atoms of A present? Corners. Only corners, right? Atoms of B present where? Center of? Okay. Center of face. Okay. Then, now tell me, if it is a corner, A is equals to 8 into 1 by 8. It's supposed to be. But how many particles are removed? 2 corner particle removed. It becomes 6. Yes or no? Initially 8 it was. But 2 is removed. It becomes 6 into 1 by 8. Therefore, it is a 6 by 8. Similarly, B. So, center of each face, it should be 6 into 1 by 2. But how many B removed? 3. So, how many left it is? 3. Left is 3. Therefore, 3 into 1 by 2, it means 3 by 2. So, therefore, A is 6 by 8, B is 3 by 2. Okay. So, multiply with any one suitable integer. Let us multiply with 8. It is also 8. Tell me, it is A6, B. 1 za, it is 4 za, 12. That is A, B2. Right? fast. It is one model, right? Another model. Right. A cubic crystal made up of, one more model. A cubic crystal made up of two elements, capital A and B. A cubic crystal made up of two elements, capital A and B. Right. Atoms of A. Tell me, cross multiply. Can be done. A to B barta. A answer is wrong. Is this wrong?
Sir, A12 B6 ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬಸ್ A.
No, one second. Tell me, cross multiply. What cross multiply? Allah, that is coordination number. ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ. If the coordination number AB is equals to A 6.8, B 3/2. ಇದು coordination number ಆದರೆ cross multiplication, right? This is number of particle, that was coordination number. Still you are thinking that only, right? Okay. ಏನು ಮರ್ತೋದೆ ನಾನು. A cubic crystal made up of two elements, A and B. Right. Atoms of A present at corners and B at alternate face centered. Alternate face centered. What is the simplest formula of crystal? Where atoms of A is? No, atoms of A present where? Corners. Therefore, 8 into 1/8. You have to memorize, you have to remember it. ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಂಡಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ B, alternate face centered. So, what is alternate face center? Which is called alternate face center? Any two opposite faces is called alternate faces. It means indirectly given that two opposite faces. So, two opposite faces means it is a 2 into 1/2 is equals to 1. AB. Tell me. Anything, any two opposite face. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಪಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2. Contribution is 1/2. Tell me.
They didn't use FCC, no, sir.